everyone, this is Tomoko and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tomoko Shima Hair Salon. In today's video, I will share how to prevent hair loss and maintain healthy hair. I researched and tested some of the combinations on my scalp and found these are the best ingredients to have an excellent detox result. I will show you my original DIY recipes and demonstrate how to apply them. So stay with me until the very end. The first step is a clay mask for scalp detox. Before starting, the clay will stripe or change your hair color if you have hair color treatment. Please skip the first step and only use scalp lotion. You need to mix 1 tablespoon of Bontaite clay and warm water to make a paste. Then add 3 drops of castor oil and 20 drops of argan oil. Five drops of tea tree oil. Mix water a little by little to adjust thickness. Let's exfoliate your scalp by massaging clay gently on the scalp for 3 to 4 minutes. As you all know, this removes dead cells and prepares your scalp for better absorption of the oil. You can also use Moroccan clay and French green clay. These clay have many nourished minerals, also perfect for a facial mask. After that, you must rinse well with lukewarm water. Take note, if you have a dry scalp, repeat this once a month, but if you have an oily scalp, it is recommended to repeat this once a week. The second step will make the scalp lotion for hair grow. This recipe is for 3 times application. You can mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 2 teaspoons of argan oil. You can mix your favorite essential oils into this lotion. For today, I mixed 3 drops of tea tree oil and rosemary oil. If you like to express hair glow, peppermint oil is recommended. The benefit of essential oil, please watch my previous video of argan oil with essential oil to make your original hair and skin oil. Once the scalp lotion is mixed, apply and massage the lotion on the scalp with your fingertips. Then move down through the strands. Leave for 5 to 20 minutes, then wash with warm water. Longer leave your scalp, more penetration result. You can keep this bottle in the dark and cool location for 2 weeks, and if you use fresh aloe vera leaf, use it within 1 week. There are many ways to use argan oil, but the results are impressive once you get the idea of it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Feel beautiful, my wonderful viewers, and I will see you next time!